Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many of you love playing PUBG Mobile, and if you use an emulator, you've probably noticed a challenge: playing with friends on actual mobile devices. The game typically puts emulator players into their own specific lobbies, keeping things fair. But what if you really want to team up with your mobile pals? Well, for 2025, there's still a specific way to do this, and we're going to break it down for you today. It's simpler than you might think. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why this is even a challenge. PUBG Mobile has a smart system in place that can tell if you're using an emulator, like Game Loop, on your PC. When it detects an emulator, it automatically places you into matches exclusively with other emulator users. This separation is actually a fairness measure, ensuring that players using touchscreens aren't at a disadvantage against those with a keyboard and mouse. It keeps the playing field level for everyone in most cases. So how do you bridge this gap? The trick is quite simple. The mobile player must be the one to create the lobby and send the invitation. Think of it like this. Your friend on their phone opens PUBG Mobile, starts a squad or duo lobby, and then sends you, the emulator player, an invite. Once you accept that invitation from your emulator, you'll be able to join their team. This method effectively bypasses the usual emulator-only matchmaking, putting you both into a mobile-dominant lobby. While this method generally works, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Always ensure both your mobile game and your emulator are fully updated to their latest versions for the best compatibility. Remember, when you use this technique, you'll predominantly be playing against other mobile players. This can significantly change the gameplay experience, so be mindful of fairness and good sportsmanship. PUBG Mobile continuously updates, so this workaround might evolve over time. There you have it, a simple, updated way to play PUBG Mobile on your emulator with your friends who are on mobile devices. Just remember, the key is for your mobile friend to send that initial game invite, bringing you into their lobby. This opens up new ways to team up, strategize, and simply have more fun together in the game. Go ahead, give it a try, and reconnect with your squad. Happy gaming, everyone!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.